The Caterpillar CAT 320 excavator is one of the most reliable and efficient machines in the construction industry. With the 2025 model, Caterpillar has pushed the boundaries even further, offering advanced technology, better fuel efficiency, and enhanced operator comfort. This machine is designed for tough jobs, whether you're working on a large-scale construction site, roadwork, or a demolition project. One of the standout features of the 2025 CAT 320 is its advanced hydraulic system. Caterpillar has refined the responsiveness of the controls, making operations smoother and more precise. Whether you're digging trenches, moving large loads, or fine grading, this machine delivers exceptional performance. The Smart Mode system automatically adjusts engine speed and hydraulic power to match the task at hand, reducing fuel consumption without compromising on power. Step inside the cab, and you'll immediately notice the improvements in comfort and technology. The 2025 model features a larger touchscreen display with an intuitive interface, allowing operators to access real-time diagnostics, fuel efficiency data, and machine settings with ease. The ergonomic joystick controls are designed for maximum comfort, reducing operator fatigue during long shifts. Plus, the cab is quieter than ever, thanks to improved sound insulation that minimizes engine noise and vibrations. Durability has always been a key focus for Caterpillar, and the CAT 320 is built to withstand the harshest environments. The reinforced structure and heavy-duty undercarriage ensure long-lasting performance, even in extreme conditions. The 2025 model also includes an upgraded auto lubrication system, reducing maintenance time and keeping the machine running smoothly. Speaking of maintenance, Caterpillar has made it easier than ever to keep the CAT 320 in peak condition. The ground-level access to filters and service points means less downtime and more productivity. With remote diagnostics and telematics integration, fleet managers can monitor machine health and schedule maintenance before issues arise. This translates to lower operating costs and higher efficiency on the job site. Performance is where this machine truly shines. The powerful engine delivers impressive digging force and lift capacity, making quick work of any task. The integrated 2D grade control system helps operators maintain accuracy, reducing rework and improving efficiency. For those who need even more precision, the optional 3D GPS technology takes grading to the next level. Safety is a top priority for Caterpillar, and the 2025 CAT 320 is packed with features that protect operators and job site workers. The machine comes standard with a rear-view camera and additional 360-degree visibility options, ensuring that blind spots are minimized. The enhanced stability control system prevents tipping, even on uneven terrain. Plus, the automatic engine shutdown feature helps reduce the risk of overheating and saves fuel when the machine is idle. Compared to similar excavators in its class, the CAT 320 stands out in terms of fuel efficiency and operating costs. The combination of a powerful yet economical engine, advanced hydraulic technology, and smart energy-saving features makes this machine a top choice for contractors looking to maximize profits without sacrificing performance. The Caterpillar CAT 320 is not just a machine, it's a workhorse built for modern construction needs. Whether you're in excavation, demolition, or heavy-duty site preparation, this excavator delivers the power, precision, and reliability you need. With its 2025 upgrades, Caterpillar continues to lead the industry, proving why their machines are trusted worldwide. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews of heavy machinery, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drop a comment below and let us know what machine you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.